Welcome, aspiring entrepreneurs. Today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of making money online. Whether you're a student looking to earn some extra cash or someone seeking financial independence, this video is for you. Get ready to learn 7 easy steps for how to make money online as a beginner. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Identify your skills and interests. The first step in making money online is identifying your skills and interests. Take some time to reflect on what you're good at and what you enjoy doing. Are you a talented writer, a creative artist, or a persuasive communicator? Finding your niche will make the journey more enjoyable and increase your chances of success. Step 2. Amazing freelancing platforms. Once you know your skills, freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer.com can be your go-to destination. Sign up and create a compelling profile highlighting your strengths and experience. Start bidding on relevant projects, offering your services, and building your reputation. Remember, success may take time, so be patient and persistent. Step 3. Start a YouTube channel or a blog. If you're passionate about creating content, consider starting a YouTube channel or a blog. Find a topic you're knowledgeable about and that interests others. Create valuable and engaging content consistently. Over time, you can monetize your channel or blog through advertising, sponsored content, or even by selling your products or services. Step 4. Write and sell ebooks. Are you an expert in a particular field or have a unique perspective on a subject? Consider writing an ebook. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing make it easy to self-publish your work. Market your ebook through social media, email lists, and relevant communities to reach a broader audience. With a solid marketing strategy and compelling content, your ebook can generate passive income. Step 5. Create and sell online courses. If you have specialized knowledge or skills, creating and selling online courses can be a lucrative opportunity. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Coursera allow you to develop and sell courses on a wide range of subjects. Break down your knowledge into structured lessons and promote your course through social media, your website, and targeted advertising. Deliver value, engage with your students, and watch your earnings grow. Step 6. Launch an e-commerce store. Another popular way to make money online is by starting your own e-commerce store. Choose a niche market, source products, and set up an online store using platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Etsy. Focus on building a strong brand, providing excellent customer service, and marketing your products through social media, influencers, and online advertising. Step 7. Explore investments and trading. Making money online doesn't always mean active work. You can also grow your wealth through investments and trading. Research investment platforms that suit your goals, whether it's stocks, cryptocurrencies, or peer-to-peer lending. Educate yourself on the risks involved and start with small amounts to gain experience. Over time, you can potentially generate passive income from your investments. Remember, making money online requires effort, dedication, and a willingness to learn. Be prepared for setbacks, but don't give up. Explore different opportunities, adapt to changes, and keep honing your skills. With persistence, you can create a successful online income stream and enjoy the freedom and flexibility it brings. Thank you for joining me today on this journey to making money online. Now it's time for you to take action. Embrace the possibilities, put in the work, and enjoy the rewards. I wish you the best of luck on your exciting online ventures. Stay motivated and keep reaching for your goals. Until next time.